Hey, Millennium Force here. We're in Plant City, Florida. January 11, 2018. Me and Louie here is going to take a train ride, the Amtrak Silver Star number 92 from Lakeland to Tampa back to Lakeland. And Piglet here, she is going to wait here in Plant City and wave to us as we go by on the train. So we are getting ready to leave here soon to go to Lakeland to catch our train while she waits here to wave at us as we go by here in Plant City, Florida. All right, Sarah, you're going to be standing right here. Me and Louie are going to take off to go to Lakeland and get on the Amtrak train.
All right.
You're going to be right here by the dummy.
Dummy?
Yeah, the dummy. Oh, there goes a freight train now to Lakeland. But anyway, here's Sarah, and here's the dummy, and she's going to be standing right around here as me and Louie get on the train in Lakeland, and we're going to pass this crossing. So we're going to take off now so we can make sure we get on our train.
Right here.
All right, Sarah, make sure you jump up and down and stuff when we go by.
All right.
All right, see you then. All right, we're at the Lakeland train station, getting ready to ride the death elevator. I hate this elevator. It gets stuck when it comes down all the time. It's the death elevator. On the way down it stalls, and then you gotta open up the doors, they don't open. Beep! Time to vacate the premises. We're here, we just gotta wait for our train. Well, our train's about a half hour late, so 4:44 it's due to come in. All right, here comes our train we're getting on. Come on! Louie!
We needing you, boys.
Okay, we're on the Silver Star. We're finally heading to Tampa, and then we're going to come back to Lakeland and get off. Sarah should be at the station waiting for us in a few more minutes in Plant City.
With Chunky Monkey, with the redneck woman and Quacky woman.
Stop. Tampa. Stop. Tampa. De nada. De nada.
Okay, Louie, up here. Here comes the old train station we're going to pass, the platform that's coming up. We're going to be doing about 80 miles an hour by it.
Louis and Kenneth, correct?
Alan Smith and Louis Auger. There it is right here. Okay, we're approaching Plant City where Sarah and the others are at, so let's go and see if we see them. Crazy. Oh, I gotta be ready for this.
The window tastes like snozberry.
Oh, here they come. I see Plant City. Here they go. There they were.
The window tastes like sniping.
They saw us. Louie's first train ride. Hey, room was by my house. Traveling at about 80 miles an hour. Okay, the next railroad crossing we're going to go by, I live right down the street. He's blowing for Macintosh now. There it is. I can get off and walk home right from here. Bye-bye home. Bye-bye cats. Here comes Valrico Road. Okay, Amtrak has stopped and we're going to go in reverse back to Tampa in a couple of minutes. Getting off the train. You can see outside right there. Yeah, the New Jersey Transit trains, this is all open.
This is Tampa, right? Mm-hmm. I just woke up.
Louis!
Hi! Bye!
Okay, we're taking a 15-minute break while they take passengers off the train and put them back on. This is also a smoke break for the smokers because you can't smoke on the train. And then we're going back to Lakeland. So we got a 15-minute stop here in Tampa, Florida.
Mobility assistance from the train. Please contact the station representative on the platform.
I guess we're getting back on.
doors.
Yeah.
Cross the wizard beam.
Alright. Ready to get back on?
We're off to see Dumbledore.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's go see Dumbledore.
Thank you.
Okay, do the cards.
We're off to Hogwarts.
Alright, we're departing Tampa. 22 minutes late. The Columbia Restaurant of Ybor City. And here comes my favorite crossing on 24th Street. Right now. And up ahead we're going to cross the Diamond under the bridge and at a crossing where we did the porta potty with the dog, Pee-Pee. Here it comes. Up ahead here is where the train turns off and makes its reverse move. We call it the Amtrak K-turn. And here's the switch and there's the track that we came from. And up ahead is the other track where we pulled in from. Right here. Tankers. Okay, that was our train ride on the Silver Star. That's all, folks. He's had